It's my boot. Because I'm telling people to come visit you.
Yes, Tramptizer. We look after our clients.
Yeah.
Because this is like a vaccine.
Yeah.
Donald Trump said he wishes that there was somebody that can sanitize or can invent something that can sanitize from the inside.
Yeah.
Well, he didn't know that the Boers, like moonshine, has made mampoer, and they put it in a bottle and they call it Tramptizer.
Okay, so they must visit Heidelberg to come get it.
Of course, vaccinate. Vaccinate's important.
I'm telling all of them.
Be safe. Be safe.
So Graham,
hello.
What's the news today, Gray?
Well, the good news is we got Jaunti back today. The gearbox has been restored. It's been put back in the vehicle, and it works perfectly. I took it for a test drive. Yeah. What a pleasure! It runs just like it did before.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited, and I can't wait to go out on our jaunts now.
So guess who's back? Jaunti. We have really missed her. It's been about 3.5 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, we're not sure. But all is well. Oh wow. What does that mean? It burnt out?
Burnt out, yeah. And this was the other one.
Also, yeah.
So I've put new ones in.
Yeah.
So we'll have our brake lights and our main lights. On the road again!
With who?
With you! Well, the one that we replaced wasn't a good one, it just blew.
Okay.
Double element like this. You can see there's two elements, can you see them?
Yeah.
It's two filaments.
Okay.
So that's what we want them to work here.
So we're testing the Jaunti out, testing the whole gearbox on a Jaunt to Heidelberg. All the mealie fields that are dry. The hill going into Heidelberg. You can see the highway on the left going to Durban. Yeah, this is Heidelberg Hill.
Going down the hill now.
Yeah. No gimbal, we don't learn. We're going to put it in the van soon. Well, so we don't forget.
This wasn't really a drive out.
Yeah.
We were just going to go sort of to get some fuel and bring it home.
Yeah.
I thought it would be a better idea if we just took it for a shakedown job.
Yeah.
Just monitor the gearbox, everything. I'm happy.
Yeah.
It's riding like a little dream again. I'm so glad.
Okay. Good. So this is where we stopped, just off the road here by houses, because that antique shop is closed until further notice, and the coffee shop. So I'm going to look online and see if there's any coffee shops in Heidelberg. So yeah, Graham's going to just have a walk. So a beautiful little flower right in front of us.
This is Heidelberg, and it looks like we're at a what do you call it?
Museum.
A museum. So we're going to go and have a look what Heidelberg's got to show for us. Plus there's a coffee shop here, so we want to go and see. If you zoom into the top there of the entrance, you'll see it says Heidelberg on the top there.
I can't see.
Heidelberg is a proud town established in 1866, more than 150 years ago. The cornerstone of our lovely town was and still is our very own church.
Looks like for when you're sick for the ambulance. Kruger. Paul Kruger opened it.
Down Voortrekker Street, past the circle and Bierkenman Street.
Look at that Old Anglia, babe.
Here one sees the historical Methodist church of...
Ah, there's that church. Oh, no, it's not that one.
Glass windows. Diagonally across, visitors see the first Standard Bank of 1880, where Paul Kruger also stayed, as this perhaps where the Kruger millions were deposited.
Gee, babes, did you know Paul Kruger was here?
Named after the owner of the farmland Laughter on which Heidelberg was founded. Then right in Maria Street, Maria wishes to create a future and not.
Okay, this is interesting. It's like, what is this place? Opened on
Heidelberg.
Paul Kruger's day. On Paul Kruger's day.
Heidelberg Station.
Heidelberg Station, 10th of the 10th, 1895. And then it says Sir Winston Churchill was imprisoned here. I didn't even know that he was imprisoned, and especially here.
This is the Heidelberg Museum as well.
Ah, okay, it's a museum.
It says, we have German roots. Our name means noble mountain, which is Heidelberg.
Oh, have you? Craft brewery. Yeah.
And a German restaurant.
Oh, wow. This is sort of where the restaurants and that are. This looks like you sit on a swing. How awesome is this? You sit on swings. I'm coming to have coffee here because I love swings. It's my favorite thing. This is the whole train. Oh, it's beautiful here. And this is the coffee shop I'm going into. Definitely with Graham. This, I don't know what it's called, but the swings, I've never seen anything like this. Halty! Are you joking? Halt. I want you on the platform.
Yeah, we're walking on the platform.
Oh wow. So let's go.
Can you read everything on there?
If I go close, I'll try. What does it say? South?
South Africa, 816, 16 CR Railways.
Oh wow. So this is the station inside. Graham. This is the beer hall or German place.
Kimberly,
Yeah, on the train.
my boarding school.
I've actually never been. I've been in no train.
On these things.
Oh, did you? Have respect, yeah, babe. You can't sleep in here. But now, see, this is the coach. And it smells so old, eh? You can smell
you can
the
have
old.
more people sleeping.
Oh.
These with slipper.
Oh, and have a...
Hello. Hello. Tickets, please.
Sunday lunch here.
Yes.
This is Heidelberg. This is called, eh? What is this?
Madam, I'm taking you on a pump trolley ride.
Pump trolley. Wow.
Do you mind?
Please take a full ride.
Where do I hold? Yeah.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, I'm gonna go.
You go. You press down.
Oh, wow. Wow. Stop it.
We know.
You Crashland. Gonna take you back.
You must wait.
Yeah, this is fantastic. Bye. Bye. Bye.
No, you must stop. No, you must.
I wasn't leaving. Oh. Wow. That's fantastic.
Because we must just park outside. So you must.
So you can get off there and then you can park it properly.
Wow. Now, I've never been on a trolley ride before. I don't think it is fair that movie, I think they went on one of these.
Because
Did you watch Melody Fair?
No, because that is how they inspected the line
Wow.
in the past.
Thank you so much.
This is our pride and joy.
Yeah.
This is Heidelberg Heritage Beer Brewery.
Oh, wow.
And here we brew on a 10 hectoliter craft brewery. We brew the 4 nice beers.
Yes.
You'll see the 4 stars.
Okay.
It's the asterism of Aquarius flowing out in the background of the South African flag. The Prince of Pilsner.
Yes.
The Master's Weiss.
Yeah.
The Gandhi's Ale and the Black Stout Matters.
Wow.
And you can have all the brands here at this brewery.
Yes. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow, that's fantastic.
Taster, then you can have a taster with all 4 beers. Then you can taste it there, and then you know how the 4 beers taste.
Well, this is fantastic because now people know what to come and look at in Heidelberg.
Of course.
And it's just down the road from us.
It's so much more to enjoy.
Yes.
Except for the beer, we got lots of history, heritage.
Yeah.
We got Gandhi here, we got Winston Churchill, that
I
has been here,
saw.
Paul Kruger,
Yes.
and we got you guys also that's been
Oh,
here. So
fantastic.
brilliant.
Yes. And you know what? We're going to that swing restaurant where the swings are for cake.
Swings.
Yes.
We're not swingers club. We don't have a swingers club. That's one thing that Heidelberg doesn't have. We don't have a swingers club.
Oh, but
That's the
that
wrong place.
restaurant is beautiful.
No, you must enjoy. No,
Yes.
the food is nice because we got the German food.
Yes.
And then of course we got the beer to complement that.
Yeah. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. Eh?
Pleasure.
Bye.
Bye.
This is the front of the locomotive. That's in the museum. Beautiful. So you swings at your own risk, Graham?
Yep.
Take your
Swinging
mask
at my
off.
own risk, yeah.
Take your mask off. This is this is the first restaurant I've ever seen with a swing, and I am in love with swings. You know
love this
me.
place.
Yeah. So this is brilliant. So I'm swinging on my little swing at the table. It is the most brilliant idea I've ever seen. I love it. This visit to Heidelberg's been fantastic. Usually we just go around the little town and see the church. In fact, that's the only thing we've ever seen.
But this is what the Jaunti is going to be about. We can do these little tours and let people see what is still here in the South
right
African
near
area.
us.
Yeah, this is like what?
How far from Joburg? Gauteng.
From Joburg, I'd say it's about 35, 40. It's about 20 k's, 25 from Brekpan, but like this.
Yeah.
And it's there. So Joburg goes there and we go this way to it.
Yeah.
I think it's cool.
But please visit here. We had a special tour by one of the developers, directors. And so they've just done this whole place up beautifully to attract people here.
Yeah,
And I think it's fantastic.
He first asked us, have you been vaccinated?
Oh, yeah, that's
This box
about...
of big V's. I said, no, we haven't. He says, yeah, you have to have one of these.
Still looks like the original tin roof, aluminium roof. And look at the light.
Yeah, you can talk about it. I don't want to be
The light is beautiful.
You can stand there and smoke, no problem.
This is fantastic. Thank you so much. Thank you.
We're going to try. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. Thanks.
Okay, thanks. Pecan pie, pecan nut pie, and lemon meringue, our favorite.
Forever
It's our favorite everywhere.
We do this for lemons.
Yeah. Cappuccino.
This is my cappuccino. I
And
can't
Graham.
wait to get into it, and that's me. Oh, let's just get a bit of foam.
This was lovely here at the little restaurant. Wonderful. Part of the jaunting, starting, going to find different places and spaces. So visit Heidelberg. We've had a lot of fun. So Old Springs Railway Line Bridge. It's quite pretty.
Sound good.
This is the front of the locomotive that's in the museum. Beautiful. This whole long platform with trains. And now we're walking on glass over
the rail.
the railway, the original railway line. You can see it down under my feet. You know what? I would come for a visit, a jaunt to Heidelberg. There's lots to see here. I didn't realize.